You know that moment when your placeholder particles just kill the vibe? You need something that screams juice, but you don't have time to tweak 100 parameters. That's where this remastered classic comes in. This pack delivers over 60 pre-made cartoon-style effects, from explosions and fire to magic swirls. Each one runs on the built-in particle system, so you can drop them into any scene and get instant visual impact. No shader coding, no tricky setup, just drag, play, and wow. What I love is the remastered quality. The previous version was already great, but this one has cleaner sprites, better color palettes, and optimized performance. You can layer multiple effects without tanking your frame rate, perfect for game jams or early builds where polish comes last. Over 500 reviews give it a perfect 5 stars. The community absolutely swears by it for quick prototyping and final polish alike. It's basically the gold standard for cartoon VFX. The only downside is that it's strictly cartoon style. If you need realistic smoke or fire, this won't fit. But for any colorful project, it's a dream. Right now it's 50% off, down to $15. That works out to about 25 cents per effect, which is an absolute steal. Grab it before the sale ends. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history. Deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store. All updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. Ever spent an evening building custom particles from scratch, only to end up with a single generic explosion? There's a better way, and it's called the Particle Mega Pack. This asset comes with over 300 prefab particle systems, covering everything from fire, smoke, water, magic, to sci-fi glows. Each one is fully customizable, but also works right out of the box. That means you can populate an entire level with varied effects in under 10 minutes. The range is insane. You get realistic fire variations, stylized magic, even weather effects like rain and snow. And since they're built on Unity's Shuriken, they play nice with both built-in and URP pipelines. No compatibility headaches. With nearly 300 ratings and a solid 5-star average, this is another crowd favorite. People love the sheer volume and variety. It's like having a particle encyclopedia. The trade-off is that some of the effects look a bit basic compared to newer shader-based solutions. But for the price and quantity, you can't beat it for early prototyping. At $9 even, you're paying less than 3 cents per particle system. If you value your time, this saves you dozens of hours of manual work. Huge time saver. Flat green plains for trees look fine until you want wind, or grass that moves, or bushes that react to spells. That's where a good foliage shader becomes your best friend. This shader pack applies to any mesh, not just Unity's Tree Creator. You get wind animation, color variation, and a cool feature that lets you paint where grass should appear. Drop it on your low-poly trees and suddenly your forest looks dynamic and believable. Setup is surprisingly straightforward. You import the shader files, assign them to your materials, and tweak a few sliders for wind speed and density. There's even a prefab grass system that renders thousands of blades efficiently, perfect for open-world prototypes. Over 300 reviews with a 4-star average. Some users mention the documentation could be clearer, but the shaders themselves work consistently across projects. It's not compatible with URP or HDRP out of the box. You'll need to do some manual conversion. But for built-in pipeline users, it's plug and play. $10 is a fraction of what you'd pay a freelance shader artist for a custom wind system. Freelancers charge 10 times that for one custom rig, so this is a no-brainer. Getting glass, water, or holograms to look good without breaking batching or causing sorting issues is a pain. Most solutions are either too heavy or too ugly. This kit finds the sweet spot. It provides dozens of customizable filters and transparent shaders for both 2D and 3D. You can create frosted glass, tinted windows, liquid containers, even energy shields. The key is the pass-through setup that maintains draw call batching, so your scene stays performant. The real gem is the easy-to-use material inspector. You don't need to deep dive into shader code. Just pick a preset, adjust tint and roughness, and your object instantly looks like real glass. For prototypes, that level of polish in 2 clicks is huge. 163 reviews, all 5 stars. Users consistently praise how much time it saves on visual polish and how well it integrates with standard rendering. The main catch is that it's built for the built-in pipeline and may need manual tweaking for URP, but the developer provides solid notes on the process. $15 is less than the late fee on your last parking ticket, and you'll use it in every project with transparent elements. Treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut this week. You've built the mechanics, but your game still feels empty without pickup effects, level-complete explosions, and UI bursts. This pack fills that gap beautifully. FX Quest contains over 140 unique effect prefabs, all designed around game feedback. Coin sparks, level-up rings, quest-complete explosions, and more. Each one comes with multiple color variants so you can match your theme instantly. They're sorted by use case, pickups, achievements, damage indicators, so you're not digging through random names. Drop one onto your coin object and it lights up with a sparkle that makes players smile. It's polish you can prototype in 5 minutes. 159 reviews with a perfect score. Gamers and jammers alike say this is the go-to pack for making feedback feel impactful without extra work. The effects are 2D billboard style, so they lack the depth of mesh-based VFX. But for UI or top-down games, they actually look terrific. At $10, if one client project uses it, you have paid it off 100 times over. Think of your next freelance contract. This is the secret sauce. Water in Unity can be intimidating. You want a quick ocean for your sailing prototype or beach level, but complex solutions take forever. This toolkit gets you floating in minutes. It creates an infinite ocean with real-time waves, foam lines, and basic refraction. It runs on mobile hardware like Adreno and Mali when you tweak the settings. For a prototype where you just need something that looks like water, it works. Setup requires zero code. Just drop a prefab and you have an ocean that extends forever. The wave function is customizable for large swells, and scrolling normals add detail. It's functional and immediate. It only has 1 review, but that's because it's an older asset. Longtime users note it's a good starting point if you don't need photorealism. Here's the honest part. The shader has a metallic specular you can't turn off, wave movement is rigid, and there's no shadow or fog support. For a production-ready water, look elsewhere. But for a quick test, it's usable. Priced at $9.99, it's cheaper than a fancy coffee drink. If you're just exploring water mechanics this weekend, it's worth the price of admission. Treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut this week. Every sci-fi game needs a force field, but making a convincing energy shield with shatter effects and distortion is a huge time sink. This pack does it all for you. It comes with 3 unique force field presets, a bubble shield, a hexagonal energy dome, and a barrier wall. Each supports impact reactions, bullet holes, and even a shield disintegration when it goes down. The visualization is incredible. Setup is as simple as dragging the prefab onto your object. You can adjust colors, glow intensity, and hit reactions from the inspector. It's fully compatible with both built-in and URP, so you don't waste time converting. 136 reviews and a perfect 5 stars. Players consistently mention how polished the hit feedback looks and how easy it integrates. The only thing missing is a unique sound effect pack. The visuals are top-notch, but you'll need to supply your own audio for the whoosh and crackle. $15 is less than a movie ticket for 2, and you'll be using this shield in every sci-fi level for years. Easy drop-in, huge impact. Your scene is set, but it still looks flat without color grading. Setting up post-processing from scratch is a rabbit hole. This pack hands you 10 ready-made profiles. Each profile is optimized for URP and covers moods like cinematic warm, icy cold, horror desaturated, and vibrant cartoon. Just attach one to your camera and your entire scene transforms. The bloom and vignette settings are already dialed in. The best part? You can tweak each profile further, but they're designed to work without extra tweaking. For a jam, you can load a profile and be done. It's the fastest way to make a demo feel professional. 127 ratings, all 5 stars. Developers love the variety and the fact that each profile already balances exposure, color, and bloom beautifully. These are for URP only, so if you're on built-in or HDRP, they won't work without conversion. But for URP users, they're a godsend. At just $4.99, that's less than a fast food combo meal. For that price, you skip hours of tweaking and get a cinematic look instantly. Clean drop-in, huge value. Terrain looks barren without rocks, but modeling them yourself is tedious and usually ugly. This pack delivers a huge variety of low-poly rocks that are optimized for both looks and performance. You get over 50 unique rock meshes, from tiny pebbles to massive boulders, all with clean, low-poly geometry. They come with material variations that let you tint them to match any biome: desert, forest, volcanic, you name it. The LODs are already set up, so you can scatter hundreds across a scene without hurting frame rate. For open-world prototypes, this is a huge time save. Just drag them into your terrain and paint with the prefab brush. 106 reviews, perfect 5 stars. Users love the variety and how seamlessly they blend into any low-poly style. They're strictly low-poly, so they won't fit a game that needs photorealistic rocks. But if your style is clean and stylized, they're perfect. $9.99 is pocket change for the time you save modeling and LODing your own rocks. Weekend project fuel right here. You've built a beautiful scene, but without color grading, it still looks flat. Buying individual LUTs or making them yourself takes forever. This pack bundles 50 professional LUTs ready to apply. Amplify LUT Pack comes with LUTs for every mood: blockbuster action, moody noir, cheerful adventure, horror desaturated, and more. They apply directly in Amplify Color, which is included in the pack, so you don't need an extra tool. What's great is the consistency. Each LUT is designed for Unity's color space and works perfectly with both built-in and URP. You can preview them in real time and switch in seconds. It's the fastest way to find your game's identity. Over 100 reviews, all 5 stars. Users say this pack gives them the look they couldn't achieve even with hours of tweaking. You do need Amplify Color installed, included, which adds a bit of overhead, but it's lightweight and widely used. No major downsides. $15 is less than a fancy cocktail at a bar, and these LUTs will elevate every scene you build from now on. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.